Hello everyone, welcome back to Wearholic. If you have watched our old videos, then you would know that Samsung introduced a new band mechanism in the Galaxy Watch 6. This mechanism is completely different from the one in the Galaxy Watch 5. In the Galaxy Watch 5, we used to move the pin to attach or detach the bands. If you have not seen that video, then you can click on the I button to watch it. However, in the Galaxy Watch 6, a button has been added instead of a pin. In the upcoming part of the video, I will show you how you can attach or detach bands from your Galaxy Watch 6. Before we proceed, I would like to request you to subscribe to our channel, ensuring you never miss any updates on wearable tech. We deliver content based on our experience. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 comes with a few bands to choose from. But if you are picky, like me, those choices might not be enough. Luckily, there are lots of different bands available in stores. You can watch our video on bands by tapping on the I button. But before you pick one for your Galaxy Watch 5, there are a couple of important things to think about. Your Galaxy Watch 6 needs a 20mm strap. When you buy new straps, make sure they are exactly 20mm wide. If they are bigger or smaller, then they won't fit in your Galaxy Watch 6. Also in the Galaxy Watch 5 and 4, 20mm bands are used. If you already have old bands, you can use them with the Galaxy Watch 6. Despite the different mechanisms, you can use old straps with the Galaxy Watch 6, and the straps from the Galaxy Watch 6 can be used with the Galaxy Watch 5 or 4. The bands for the Galaxy Watch 6, 5 and 4 have quick release mechanism that makes changing them easy. So when you buy new straps, make sure they also have this quick release mechanism. Now, I will show you how to change the bands. First, I will demonstrate the process with the new band mechanism. And then I will attach this old purple colored band from a Galaxy Watch 5 to the Galaxy Watch 6. To begin, turn off the watch to prevent accidental button presses during the band change. Removing the existing bands from Galaxy Watch 6 is straightforward. Press this button and gently pull it away from the watch. The bands will detach easily. Repeat this for the second band. Now, if you want to attach the new band, press the button on the band and slide it into the watch slot. Then release the button. Make sure the pins are fully in the holes. You can gently pull the band to check. If it is loose, it will come out. But if it is attached properly, then it won't come out. Repeat the process for the second band. Now, I will show you how to attach these purple bands that came with my old Galaxy Watch 5 to Galaxy Watch 6. These work with the old pin mechanism. Simply pull the pin backward like this and place the bands in the slot. If you are sure the attaching pins are in the right place, release the hand pin. Both pins should be in their holes, and the old band is now attached to the new Galaxy Watch 6. You can give it a slight tug to check. The old mechanism is hard for me. That's why I like the new button mechanism of the Galaxy Watch 6. Which mechanism do you prefer? Do let us know in the comment section. I use the simplest band attach and detach mechanism for the Apple Watch SE 2. It uses a 45mm strap with a button mechanism. The button mechanism is quite smooth. You can see that after pressing the button, it can be easily detached with a simple slide and can be attached back with the same ease. That's it in today's video. You have successfully changed your bands of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more wearable content. Thanks for watching this video.